Ever wonder why the rate you see on DAT doesn't always match the offer you're getting from a broker? That rate gap can be frustrating, but understanding where the numbers come from is your key to winning the negotiation. The rate data in DAT isn't based on guesses. They're built on over $1 trillion in actual, verified transactions from brokers, shippers, and carriers. This is the truth in the market, what was actually paid, not just what was asked. We take thousands of those real-world transactions on specific lanes and calculate averages over different time frames. This gives you a clear, data-backed market benchmark. RateView is a benchmark, not a fixed price. While macro tools like the Market Conditions Index show the big picture, micro factors like the specific commodity, shipment urgency, and other external variables dictate whether a load pays above or below that average. Now, you aren't just guessing. You know the 7-day average is $4.60 per mile, and you know the exact factors impacting your load. Use that full context as leverage to command the rate you deserve. Come prepared for your next negotiation. With DAT, don't guess, know.